Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Vinny here. So I had already done nail art videos and few skincare videos. So this is totally new for me. So I am going to take you through my weekend morning routine. So I hope it will be useful for all you people. I hope you all enjoy it. I get up early in the morning so that I will get time to work on my body and soul. Calm early mornings gives you that energy to prepare yourself for the day. As a homemaker and a mother, working on yourself in the morning will make you more focused on your other work and activities throughout the day. I have been journaling for the past 2 to 3 years. I start my journaling routine from reviewing my to-do list for the day. Then I literally write whatever thoughts or ideas that comes to my mind. I write about 1 to 2 pages of journal in the morning and it usually takes around 10 minutes to complete. As I have all my thoughts poured onto my journal, my mind is ready for the new day and is more focused. I also plan my son's activities for the day along with my journal. Next, I start cleaning the rooms before my son and husband wake up in the morning. I leave the room they are sleeping and clean up the remaining rooms including kitchen. After cleaning the rooms, I come to kitchen to clean and organize washed vessels from previous day. It gives me some satisfaction when I clean up the vessels before I start with my kitchen work. Before I start preparing my breakfast, I would like to have warm milk with a pinch of haldi without sugar. I also collect the malai from the milk every day to use it for skincare and cooking purpose. Today I am preparing moringa dosa and coconut chutney for breakfast. Stir fried moringa leaves mixed with the non fermented rice flour batter. I had prepared the batter and also the chutney, and now I am making warm chocolate milk with brown sugar for my kid. Both chutney and batter is ready for breakfast. I had made homemade face mask to take care of my skin and get ready for the day. While the mask is getting dry, I would like to read books or I don't do anything at all. Even though we have lots of work to do, we need to take time for ourselves and be good to ourselves. Choosing the outfit for the day and getting ready in the morning is one of my favorite moments. As the dosa batter is ready, it was easy for me to prepare breakfast on time without any fuss or delay. After breakfast, I spend some quality time with my kid to help him finish few activities. He is also interested in drawing, so I let him do some drawing or coloring. While we both are busy in activities, my husband would help me in the kitchen for lunch preparation. He is marinating the fish pieces for lunch. When my kid is busy in drawing and coloring, I start cleaning my vessels that are stocked up in the sink. Before preparing my lunch, the kitchen sink and countertop will be clean and ready. That was my weekend morning routine. I hope you all guys got some motivation through my video. So I hope to see you in another video soon. Like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.